Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well and having a great day, and thank you so much for deciding to watch my video. And today's video is from a company called Glitz Glam box, and this box is a monthly subscription for $15 a month, and according to the name, the Glitz and Glam, you get one glitter product, one pair of lashes each box, and 2 to 3 full-size beauty products. And it is a local company for me. I am in Pennsylvania. They are in New Jersey, and I do believe it is run by 3 sisters. So that is nice. And the box always comes, and here's their label, which is adorable. And they always tape it well. I just got it today, and I just untaped it, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And they always have their company name, you know, in all different fonts. Always nice tissue. So let's get right into the box. And you get a card that they're doing, I guess, Glitz Glam boxes for Mom for Mother's Day. And it's telling us our May box will include a luxe item valued at $24.95. That's wonderful. Plus it lists all of their social media sites. So there's the information for the box for, I guess, for moms. And then the other side of the card just tells us what's inside the box. So we'll use that for a reference. This is from a company called Clean Color. And this is a fan brush. Obviously, let's see, how does this open? I'll take it out of the package. I don't think I have fan brushes for when I paint in my acrylics, but I don't have any fan brushes. So there is the name of the company, Clean Color. And this is the brush. You know, this would be good for highlighter, maybe, just to dust a little bit onto your, you know, onto your cheek. It's very, very soft. I will use it. I mean, I don't wear highlighter every single day, but I will give it a try. And then you get a nice little package here wrapped up. So we'll move the box out of the way. So then everything is in a nice little package with a cute little sticker. Oh, been noticing that every other April box that I've been seeing that's been posting videos was getting a free gift, a free glitter or something, and I guess they are just choosing who they send it to and who they don't. That's not, if I'm willing to buy your box and post a video and give you free advertising, I think I should have been included in that free gift, regardless of what it is. That's not very fair or nice of them. That leaves a bad taste in my mouth for their company right off the get-go, and this is only my second box. And I do believe my video was posted in March, and I think this box was just shipped on the 11th of April, and it's the 15th. So I don't understand that. That does not make me too happy. So let's get right into here's the lashes. Oh, there's going to be a lot of reflection. And this is Infinite Glow lashes. Let's see. And I'm assuming, oh, I don't know if you guys can see that with my hand doing that. The name on them is Rain. Okay, so that's going to be here. They are very, very full lashes, very glam lashes. I don't know if they give prices. I don't remember. Yes, the fan brush retails for, I guess there might have been different kinds of brushes that they were sending out. It says retail value $1.50 to $3.99, and they are faux mink lashes, value $8.99. And I do believe this is the gold leaf that I was seeing in a lot of the boxes right here. So there it is on that side. That's really pretty. That's pretty awesome. And the gold leaf has a value of $4.50. And then we have this palette here, which is nice. Let's see. Don't drop it if I can get it out of the packaging. Okay, so this is from Aesthetica. Strobe Series Illuminate, and this is light to medium. And these are the colors. Okay, let's take it out of the package. So this is the packaging. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is just a little booklet. It tells you how to use it. Oh, that's nice. Not too many companies do that if you're not sure what to do. Let's see, we do have a... Oh, that is adorable. So we have a mirror, and I'm just going to block it. And this is the little plastic cover that was on it. So it's a face, and it lets you know, I guess, where you can put the product. That's pretty ingenious. And these are the products right there. I'm trying to think if they have colors, color names. So the upper left-hand corner, the more white shade is Halo. This one here is Brilliance. This bottom one here is called Sunset. And this last one is called Glimmer. Very pretty. I love how they have this on the inside. Plus a nice big mirror. That's pretty awesome. And I do think there's something else in here from what I saw from other people. I think there's some kind of a little... Down the side, there's a little... like a pen type thing. Let me see if I can get it. No, it's not going to come out that side. Okay, let's see if we can get this out. Ah, there it is. So there is a liquid strobe prism. Yeah, focus. Yeah, this camera's not going to focus today. There we go. And this, I'm not going to open because I know I will not use this, but let me see if it tells you what. So the Strobe Kit, which is 4 pans, highlighting palette, and liquid highlighting pen, has a value of $40. And I'm not really sure what the pen is for. I've seen other people use it. It took a little bit of time to prime. Yeah, here's all the shades in the booklet. And then this is just says Prism. I'm not going to highlight. I guess they're liquid. Really not sure what the pen. One liquid highlighter. It's just a liquid base highlighter to be applied directly over foundation for a dewy look or layered with powders. Okay, I know that took a long time for people to prime, and I don't want this video to be super, super long. So we got the Aesthetica highlighter palette, the Infinite Glow lashes. We got the Gold Leaf Flakes. This goes with that. And then we got the fan brush. And then here, I don't know if you guys will be able to see all that. Or maybe you could. So there's what they say for that. And here's the fan brush. And then this is the gold leaf. And then the glitter. And then the foam ink lashes are right there. Trying to get that glare off. Okay, so that's the Glitz Glam box for the month of April. I would say overall, I mean, the fan brush I might use, I might not. I mean, I do, collect brushes of any sort, so that would be okay. I will try the Aesthetica light to medium kit. The gold flake, I have no use for, but it's nice. Those lashes are just way too big and too much volume for me. So this box, I would say, would be, these are pretty, but I would assume if you were doing more like festival looks or, specific party type. I mean, unless you can pull that off normally, I just know I can at 50, my 58, going to be 58. So I would say this box is, I'm not overly impressed. It's still a good box for the price. It is only $15 a month. I am disappointed that others, and I've watched many April unboxings, and it seemed like everybody was getting a free gift that posts videos, so I'm unsure why I was left out on that one. So I'm not really thrilled with this at the moment, and that is my video for today. So I would appreciate if you would leave me a comment and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help the channel with YouTube in recommending the video and the channel to people who are not subscribed to let us grow the channel. And thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.